Today, I'm reviewing the Valerion 100-inch fixed frame projector screen. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're building a home theater setup, one of the most overlooked, but absolutely critical, components is the projector screen. You can have an amazing projector, but without a quality screen, you're not getting the full experience. That's where the Valerion 100-inch fixed frame projector screen comes in, offering a premium viewing surface designed to bring out the best in your projector. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the fixed frame design. Unlike pull-down or portable screens, a fixed frame screen is all about delivering a perfectly flat, wrinkle-free surface, and that's exactly what Valerion achieves here. Once mounted, the screen stays taut and smooth, which is essential for maintaining image clarity. There are no waves, no creases, and no distortions to distract you from the content. The 100-inch size hits a sweet spot for most home setups. It's large enough to feel immersive, almost like a cinema experience, but still manageable for living rooms, bedrooms, or dedicated home theater spaces. And if you're someone planning a bigger setup, Valerion does offer larger sizes, going all the way up to 220 inches, so there's flexibility depending on your space. Now let's talk about image quality, because that's where this screen really shines. It features a matte white surface with a 1.3 gain, which helps boost brightness without sacrificing color accuracy. What that means in real-world use is that your image appears brighter and more vibrant, even if you're not using the most powerful projector. Colors pop nicely, whites look clean, and blacks maintain decent depth for a screen in this category. The material itself is made from high-quality PVC, and it shows. The surface reflects light evenly, which helps maintain consistent brightness across the entire screen. Whether you're watching movies, sports, or playing games, the visuals remain sharp and detailed. This is especially important if you're using a 4K or even 8K projector, as the screen is fully capable of handling ultra-high-definition content without introducing blur or softness. Another standout feature is the wide viewing angle, up to 170 degrees. This means you don't have to sit directly in front of the screen to get a good picture. Whether you're sitting off to the side or have multiple people watching from different positions, everyone gets a clear and bright image. It's perfect for family movie nights or hosting friends for a game or event. One of the biggest concerns with projector screens is how they handle different types of projectors. The good news here is that this screen is compatible with long throw, short throw, and even ultra short throw projectors. That versatility makes it a great choice no matter what kind of setup you're running. Whether your projector is mounted on the ceiling, placed on a table, or sitting right under the screen, this display adapts well. Installation does require a bit of effort, as with most fixed frame screens. You'll need to assemble the frame and mount it properly on your wall. But once it's set up, the results are worth it. The frame also adds a nice aesthetic touch, giving your setup a clean, professional, theater-like look. In terms of performance, the 80% picture quality enhancement, or PQE, helps ensure that the image maintains good contrast and clarity. While it won't magically transform a low-quality projector into a high-end one, it definitely helps maximize whatever performance your projector is capable of delivering. Of course, it's important to be realistic about what this product is. This is not an ALR, ambient light rejecting, screen, so it performs best in controlled lighting environments. For the best experience, you'll want to dim the lights or use it in a darker room. In those conditions, it really shines and delivers a cinematic experience that's hard to beat at this price point. Overall, the Valerion 100-inch fixed frame projector screen is a fantastic addition to any home theater setup. It offers excellent brightness, strong color performance, wide viewing angles, and a clean, professional look. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming your favorite shows, it elevates the entire experience. If you're serious about getting the most out of your projector, upgrading to a high-quality fixed frame screen like this one is a smart move. It's one of those upgrades that you'll notice immediately, and once you experience it, it's hard to go back.